everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your password on Bumble application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, if you have created your account using mobile number, then you will not need to reset any password as it requires verification of your number only. But if you have created your account using Facebook, then you can easily change your password. For that, open your Facebook application. Tap on three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and tap on Settings. Click on Password and Security. Once again, click on Password and Security. Go ahead and click on Change Password on the top row. Tap on your Facebook account. Type your current and new password. Finally, tap on Change Password. And that is how you can simply change your password of Bumble using your Facebook account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and comment below your feedback and questions. If you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any update.